Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens and this is episode 10 of Gardening Without Edits. And right now I'm going to be talking about something I really don't want to do, but I have to do it, and I'll explain why in this video. And it looks like Lulu isn't chasing, well, she's still looking at the squirrel area, but she's laying down for once. Okay, right here I have a pear. This is a Bartlett pear. I had a du jour, I'm not too sure how to pronounce that. But I had two pears here. One went really bad with Fire Blight, and later on this got bad with Fire Blight. So I have a lot of, I believe they're Bradford pears. All over this area is Bradford pears, and all of them, when I walk around, you can see Fire Blight throughout, all of them. It is such a shame to see beautiful flowers that come out of this tree. Beautiful, just gorgeous, and little baby pears, cute little pears, and all of a sudden they turn black and rot, and you'll see just the black come down like a black plague, you know, just killing the tree all the way to the ground. At least that one died all the way to the ground. This one, stood its ground a little bit. But after thinking about that for this whole year, I don't want to grow something that's going to just die off. I mean, it was just mayhem. I couldn't control it. Even dormant spray. I did apple cider vinegar one year with my apples, and it still comes and goes. Fire Blight's just an awful thing when it comes to apples, pears, Asian pears, and so forth. So, but this definitely has to go. Unfortunately, you can see how big the caliper is from here. You know, it's been in the ground for over 2 years now. But I'm going to be putting a Loquat tree here. We call it in Armenian Zaatar. I believe that's a New World. I'm not too sure why they call it that, but Zaatar or Loquat, or the Chinese or Japanese plum. I think it's called that. There's another name for it, but that's what's going to be going here. You did good, Bartlett. It just I can't take that Fire Blight. Happy gardening, everyone.